What's going on, guys? Riley here. Today we are doing something extremely fun. Today we are autocrossing my Hellcat Challenger. Now this is something not many Hellcat owners do. However, here we are. So the format of today's autocross is essentially a very large parking lot with cones. It's not on an actual track, which I'm a little bit bummed out about, but we'll still have some fun. Hellcat over here doing all nice and dirty. Got my beautiful artwork. I joined the novice group, so that'll be entertaining. But yeah, pretty sure about, I don't know, 80% of these cars here are going to kick my ass. Shay, what's going on, buddy?
None much. I'm ready to have some fun, slide some corners, and beat you.
You probably
will.
This is
the one time I'm faster than you.
Follow STI Turner on Instagram. Sweet looking STI. We'll probably get some ride-alongs later. And GT500, GT350. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff here. So yeah, we're about to go walk the track, and then we'll take it from there. Well, I'd say this is probably my favorite car here. It's a 6th gen SS1LE. This thing is literally a race car. It's got racing seats, a harness. It is an Ultima street car. So like, this is like a legit race car basically. So I'm sure this thing is going to be quite fast on some race tires. I mean, whew. So out here just walking the track now. It's a good idea to do before any type of autocross or any race, regardless of what you're doing. And so we're just seeing what we're working with here. Actually looks like there might be some decent little kind of like somewhat straightaways. I don't know, we'll see. I just know that this is going to be absolutely hilarious, and everybody that's been looking at my car, they've been like, what is that, a Hellcat? What's a Hellcat doing here?
You're the first Hellcat to come to our autocross that I know of, so
exciting.
CTSVs before, Shelby's before, never a Hellcat.
All right, so the schedule of events for the day is there's 3 different heats. Now the first heat I am off, so I just get to basically chill and just watch people race. The second heat, I'm actually gonna be out on track working, which is like basically picking up cones if somebody hits a cone, etc. So I'll be doing that. And then the third and final heat, I get to finally race my car, so that'll be exciting. Now I'm actually pretty excited about the run orders, because that means heat 1 and 2, I basically get to watch for any trouble areas or whatever the case is. And heat 3, the temperatures will hopefully heat up. Hopefully some of that moisture on the ground will kind of burn off, which is kind of needed for this thing. So pretty excited for that. So let's go watch some cars, and then we'll get to racing here a little bit later. Well, here we are in the Hellcat. It has been probably 3 to 4 hours since I last filmed something. I've just been sitting around and working, and now I finally get to do some driving. So pass number 1 will probably take it like 70%, figure out the track, and then from there we'll give her the beans after this initial run. But yeah, you guys can get a good course overview. I got Shay with me to tell me what's going on, and we're just gonna figure it out as we go.
Inside, slalom this way, this way, this way. There you go. You're still good. You're still good. Go that way. Right hand turn, or left hand, sorry. To the outside of this cone, through this gate, to the left of these. Now turn right. Through this gate, turn left. Get on it a little bit, brake. Turn right. Get the inside of these 2 cones over here. There you go. Outside of that. Turn in, catch this gate, to the right, slalom these. There you go. There you go. Good job. So brake hard, turn right, slalom through these. There you go. Turn right, don't get finish-itis to finish. There you go. 58.7.
All right, that was very sloppy.
58.7.
Very sloppy. Well, as you guys can see, kind of didn't know where to go there for a brief moment, but after I kind of figured out the track, then We got this.
You didn't lose the back end too much.
No, it wasn't bad.
No.
Your best time, 23rd in Charger on the course. Hellcat. 43.2. Hey, what do you know? Best time for you. 43.2, just not good enough for our class. But clean 43.2. Hands 43.5, radios are silent. Your best time with that 43.5. The 42s are getting closer and closer. You know, if one person who's improved the most last year, I think it would actually be Cairns. Starting as a back burner, but now come this year, or late last year, really cutting that time. Just takes a little bit of runs to get there. Putting it all together. I think there was even engine issues with starting and running 2 years ago of some sort. The Hellcat 51.8, best time, 7th spot. Darren 56.5.
So close.
Riley Piper, 50.9, your best time. 50.9, third. Whoa. Apparently, Riley Piper's in third spot
Yeah.
in novice class.
Yeah.
Third position. Riley leapfrogs everybody in the heaviest, no, second heaviest car in the field. Because I want to say that the Malibu weighs a little bit more, or maybe the Challenger Charger thing. They're all the same. So Riley Piper in the Hellcat 50.9. This is the largest jump anybody's had thus far. Third position in novice class. You have one more run, no pressure, but you need to hit a 49.9 to take over those two positions, and you need 1.5 seconds or 1.1 seconds.
We got this.
No stress. 55.9. No. 50.6 for Riley. A better run. and only needed 8 tenths to knock out first place. You hold third so far, Riley.
Well, I think we're gonna end up taking third place today, boys. I tried, man.
Well, if you improved by 2 tenths.
No, and
I
messed up so much on that one. I was just going for it too much.
If you would have been clean, that would have been a good run.
I know. Well, didn't win the novice group, but third place and literally 8 tenths of a second off from winning. I will take that. I'm very proud of how this thing did today. For all you people that say Challengers can't handle, Challengers can't turn, this thing did phenomenal. For the F class, which is where the Hellcat is placed, it did absolutely fantastic. I'll pull up the results right here for you guys. Okay, so I signed up for this event as a novice F class, meaning I get thrown in with all the other novice people. And the first place went to basically a track-focused S2000, and second place went to a Porsche 911. Third place, a Dodge Challenger Hellcat. Now let's say I were to just sign up as normal F class. So first place was, believe it or not, a Camaro 1LE. Shocker. Second place was a BMW 135i. Third place was some kind of Mustang. It just says Mustang. And then I would have got fourth place in the normal F class, beating a Chevy SS. There's another Camaro 1LE in here, a Mustang, a Hyundai Genesis. So I mean, yeah, this thing weighs a bunch, but dude, it did great. I'm so happy with how this thing performed. But going back to the novice class thing, so the person that got first was basically B class, which is pretty good, and the person that got second in the Porsche 911 was A class. I'm in F class, which is like way down the list, and I managed to get third. I beat out a Subaru BRZ, a BMW M4, an Audi S3, some Miatas, and it keeps on going. There was 25 people in the novice class, and a Hellcat came in third. That was so close. That was fun.
It's a blast.
Dude, especially for doing it in something as silly as this.
Oh yeah.
Like, it's hilarious.
Yeah, now we got to see Miss RP do it.
All right, y'all, leaving the autocross now. Wow, what an exciting day. I just actually pulled up my peak G-forces meter here on the dash. I'm gonna show you guys a picture of what it looks like. Holy crap, that's insane to be doing that amount of G-forces in a 4,500 pound land yacht. I mean, this thing just continues to blow my mind to be at least pretty competitive with other cars in my class, and a 911 out of all cars in a Challenger. What? Also, another thing that I learned about the Hellcat is that it's a very fun and playful car in the corners. Now, I know it's not meant for handling, but it's so easy to control drifts in this car. There was a couple times where the back end would get a little bit loose, and I'd be like, don't worry, I got this. And I'd go sliding around corners, and it's just a very playful platform. The weight distribution's almost 50-50 in this car. Just, today was a lot of fun. So on that note, I'm gonna end the video there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely a very fun day in the Hellcat. We'll have to do this again, and definitely when we get a project car, we will be doing many more autocrosses and something a little bit more suited for that type of environment. Also, lastly, I could be totally wrong on this and kind of toot my own whistle here a little bit, but I'm pretty sure I'm the only car at that entire event that could run 10s in the quarter mile and still place very well amongst other cars in an autocross event. Who would have thought? But thank you guys for watching the video. I'll see you all in the next one. Take it easy.